gonna take you guys through my everyday makeup. It's super simple. All you need is face makeup and eyeliner, really. And if you wanna pop on like a nude lip, you can, and mascara, but let's go. Already put my primer on. So all I'm gonna do before putting my face makeup on is my eyebrows. Yum poppers, helped y'all. We're just gonna fill them in really quickly and let's go. Okay, we're gonna clean my brows up now, and I'm not even gonna use a brush today. We're just gonna go in and do this really simple. Okay, now you just kind of buff it out a little bit, and then we'll put our face on. Super easy. Okay, I'm gonna go in L'Oreal. Go good old L'Oreal. Next, we're gonna do our contour with whatever contour you have. I like this Colourpop bronzer for my contour, and I use a little angled brush. Boom. The next thing we're gonna do is go into a highlighter. We're gonna use Old Faithful Peaceful just because this is an everyday look, and if I was just going every day, this is what I would use. And I'm just gonna take a little whatever brush, and I'm gonna do my cheekbones. And since I don't really have eyeshadow to blend into under my brow bone, I'll still do my brow bone, but it won't be like a super, you know, big thing. We're just gonna a little swipe on the nose, cause hello. Keep it to boom. And you can kind of like throw a little bit in there, but these are the spots that I worry about. So if you haven't already noticed, we basically just work backwards today. So next I'm gonna do my eyeliner, which is my NYX matte eyeliner. I'm just gonna do my wing. So we've done this before. Make your first line. Don't put a polka dot on your face. Make a triangle, fill it in. And then just go across your lash line and make your wing as thick or as thin as you would like it. Oh, here's what Heather with just wings. It's still kind of cute. Like, you can get down with it. It's fine. Next, we're just gonna throw on some mascara and some lashes, and then just a nude lip. So here we go. If you pull one of these, don't freak out. Just wait for it to dry and then take a Q-tip and it'll come right off. But if you do it while it's wet, if you try to take it off while it's wet, it'll smear all over your eyelid. Just a heads up. never had so much problem with fucking eyelash. Okay, well, our eyelashes dry before we marry them in and make them look all fluffy and beautiful. We're gonna put on our lipstick. Pick a nude, your favorite. And then let it dry. And then you're just gonna put a little pop of color in the middle to make your lips look a little bit pouty today. Just a little bit, okay? Y'all know I like to use the concealer. So that's easy. And all that's left is dry. If at any point you feel like you can see your lash, like the little strip that it's on, you can always use your eyeliner and fill in any gaps, just to make it look more fluid. So, this is what I do for my everyday, like especially when I'm working. This is what I like to do because not every day can your bitch get glammed up. And what's great is that you can go do this like with messy hair, like done up hair, like you can really wear this really nice or just really simple. So today we're going really simple. I'm gonna be doing a lot of editing today. I'm gonna be spending time with my family today. Today's the day I go pick up my daughter, so this is what we're gonna go with. I hope that this was helpful for you. If you like these super fast makeup looks, let me know. Maybe we can do some challenges and we can add some like shadows or something just to spice it up a little bit, or we can just do some variation. Or if you would like to, I would love for you guys to recreate this, then send me pictures, and then I'll give y'all some love and I'll post them up on my Twitter or my Instagram or something. But here we go. It actually looks like you did a lot more than you actually did, when in reality you put on your face, you put on some eyeliner and some lashes, and you was like, boom, I'm out. So enjoy, try this, let me know how it goes. Do as much highlighter as you want, as little, as much bronzer as you want, as little, as much lipstick as you want, as little, whatever. I like to see everyone's variations. Remember, there is no one right way to do makeup. Makeup is fun, brushes are fun, trying new things is fun. No one product is right or wrong. Just enjoy yourself and let me know how it goes. I love you guys. Okay, bye.